Hey builders, welcome to Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. Well, this week's theme is all about the acceptance of the fact that the holidays can be a distraction to our fitness and health. And so this week's tip is from fitness and health expert Kristi Goode from Love Livin Low Sugar. Kristi is a certified macronutrition coach. She helps midlife women kickstart fat loss and create simple, satisfying, and sustainable habits so that they have more energy and less cravings without dieting, eating less, or skipping meals. So please help me in welcoming Kristi Goode.
This week, our focus is on acceptance. Acceptance of the fact that the holidays can be a distraction to our health and fitness journey, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to share with you a few ways that we can learn to accept the fact that there's going to be distractions during this holiday season. A lot of times when we get to the holidays and we do get a little bit more distracted, we start to feel like we can fall off track easily. We start to worry that we're going to lose all of our progress, when in actuality, we're not going to lose any progress. It's just finding ways to work around those distractions of the holidays. So my first tip for you is going to be to find a way to get in movement. And it doesn't matter what that movement is, whether you're able to get in your regularly scheduled workout, or maybe it looks a little bit different for you today. And that's okay. Maybe just getting in a few extra steps. And that could be running errands, doing your Christmas shopping. You can include that as part of your movement for the day. When we learn to accept that that's part of our movement for the day, then we don't feel so bogged down or so guilty because we didn't actually get in a full intended workout. Tip number 2, making sure that you remember to prioritize protein in all of your meals, because protein is going to keep you fuller for longer. It's going to give you a little more energy throughout your day, and it's also going to help curb those sugar and carb cravings. And as we all know, there's going to be cookies, cakes, and goodies all over our workplaces, at home, at functions. So just making sure that you prioritize protein is going to be very beneficial during this time of the holiday season. And another key to staying on track with your nutrition is doing easy meal prep this time of the year. Maybe buying that rotisserie chicken to make wraps or sandwiches with, or maybe even make egg bites in advance so that you have easy breakfasts and snacks or lunches on the go. Just remember that what you do most of the time is going to outweigh the distractions of the next 3 weeks. When you accept that there's going to be distractions and you can make simple tweaks and simple swaps in advance, that's when you're going to be successful. Happy holidays!
Thanks, Kristi. That was such great advice. And so, builders, if you would like to reach out to Kristi, then you can do so on her website at www.lovelivinlowsugar.com. Or you can also follow her on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube at Love Livin Low Sugar. Well, builders, that is your Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your inner athlete. So if you would like to hear future fitness and health tips from either me or other fitness and health experts, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of these great tips. So I will see you in the next episode. Take care.